Okay guys, I have a TEKTRONIX 2465 DMS, David, Mary, Sam. It has a DMM built in on a top in here, Mr. High Voltage. I haven't seen too many of these. Anyway, but here it goes. This is what happens when I push the power button. You'll see these lights come on. Those lights come on. These stays on for a few seconds. Then they turn off. A relay goes on several times. These lights, as you can see, they're turning on. And this is live. And then it defaults to this. This happened. I had a display here on the top and the bottom. I had the text and everything. And when I push this button in here, which is the find, that's weird. When I was touching this button here, do you see that, guys? What happened? When I was touching this button, that's just possible that it's just, anyway, the text was coming back. Anyway, this button here, which is supposed to find the dots, basically. Anyway, when I pushed it, it shrank to like that, but it did not return back with the text in here and here. So I know that you can do a reset by pushing these two buttons here, and you saw what happened before I even pushed this button here to do the test. And this is text. I know so because I saw this test screen when I was doing it, and I know that there is something written up here and on the bottom. And then this coupling is supposed to be pushed upwards, and then it runs this internal test. And you'll hear the clicking relays. And it returns just some different text, but it is all shrunk to the center, so it's not readable, as you can see. And then it sits on the vertical in a source side, and no matter what you do with this, well, that turned it off, which is weird. There's obviously some changes in here when I'm pushing on this. There's probably some different text there. I have no clue. Then the source, I can go up or down, and there's some changes in the text that would be on the bottom. And then if I hit the coupling down, nothing happens. If I hit the coupling up, it runs the test again, which I'm gonna let you see. But I had this at one point where I had the text up on the top and the bottom, and I did have 4 lines when I pushed all 4 channels in. So I do not understand what is going on right now. Normally this ends the test, but nothing is happening now. And you saw me, I pushed this button in here, which is called the slope, and it returns back to these 3 dots, and then it has these lights on. But why is this button, when I pushed it, not returning back to normal? I don't understand. So I have it apart, just the cover, and I will show you the side. I'll turn the light on so you guys could see maybe better. It has this set of TEKTRONIX chips. I assume that's what handles the graphics and all the logics probably. So those 2 are on this side. There's nothing to see really on the top until I would take this cover, I assume, off. There's another plastic cover below that. The only thing I did is I loosened up all these earlier, and I pushed them back. I didn't clean them yet. And then I turned it back on, and I got the text on the CRT display. So I don't know, really. It's still on. I'll show you this side. This side, there's nothing really to see here either. And then it's very clean, as you can see it. I did not clean this. I didn't dust it. So there's just really small amount of dust. So this is where it's stuck. So I'll upload this today, and then you guys can maybe give me an idea what I actually should be doing with this or shouldn't be doing with it. So here it goes. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.